How is TOEFL different from IELTS? Who should study for TOEFL? One of the most frequently asked questions I receive is, should I study for TOEFL or IELTS? The correct answer doesn't lie in the difficulty level, but in the nature of each test and your learning goals. What are the differences between TOEFL and IELTS? 1. Content nature. TOEFL, 100% academic environment, lectures, seminars, textbooks, and discussions at university, analytical and synthetic thinking. IELTS, a mix of academic and real-life situations, many social communication situations, assessment of general English proficiency. TOEFL asks, can you study in English? IELTS asks, can you live and communicate in English? 2. Ways to assess skills. TOEFL, integrated skills, reading, listening, speaking, writing. Very little room for personal emotion. IELTS, separated skills. Speaking is more interactive. Writing allows for more expression of personal opinions. Therefore, people with logical thinking skills are usually suited to TOEFL. People with good communication skills are usually suited to IELTS. Speaking, huge differences. TOEFL speaking, speaking to a machine, time to prepare, academic content, scored by clarity and structure. IELTS speaking, speaking directly with the examiner, quick reflexes, scored by intonation and interaction. People who are shy about speaking in person often find TOEFL easier. Writing, don't confuse them. TOEFL writing, summary, comparison, academic feedback, minimize emotion, prioritize logic and accuracy. IELTS writing, argumentative, clear opinion, need real-life examples. Therefore, writing simply and correctly is very suitable for TOEFL. Writing deep and persuasive is more suitable for IELTS. So, who should study TOEFL? You should study TOEFL if you plan to study in the US or Canada. You are pursuing a bachelor's or graduate program in English. You are strong in reading and listening. You have systematic and logical thinking. You are hesitant to speak in person. You prefer clear structures. TOEFL is not suitable if your main goal is immigration. You need conversational English for everyday life. You dislike academics. You are not used to long lectures. Don't choose TOEFL just because it sounds easier. TOEFL is not easier than IELTS. It's just suitable for a different type of learner. Choosing the right test from the start saves time, money, and effort. In the next article, I will talk about TOEFL reading, why you don't need to read everything to get the answer right. If you're considering TOEFL, keep following this series.